as you can see, the most amount of work that needs to be done under the hood. Now, the New Zealand Department of Transport has this car listed as a 3.5 litre. Obviously, politicians and bureaucrats aren't very intelligent, and they can't tell the difference between a small V6 engine and a large V8 engine. And despite the fact that I have shown them documentation, and you can even see on this plaque V360, which means 360 cubic inch, they still think it's a 3.5 litre. Obviously there aren't too much brains in places like that. Over the next several months, especially in the winter, I will be doing as much work under the engine bay as I can, try and tidy it up a little and make it look a bit cleaner under there. But as you heard before, it does run very well.